We're now joined by ANC Tshwane Regional Secretary George Matjila, and he joins us now via our video link. George, thank you so much for your time this evening. We've heard there Jackie, telling us about the issue around this motion of no confidence that will be brought before the House. Why do you want the mayor gone?
No, thank you very much to yourselves and your viewers at home. I think the motion is informed by the challenges that our people are faced with within their localities. You would remember that for the longest period of time, we have afforded a DA-led coalition in the city of Tshwane an opportunity to prove themselves. But unfortunately, there are a number of things that they've not been doing correctly. We speak of mismanagement of governance. We speak of them failing to mobilize revenues, ensuring that the people pays. We have a budget that is not funded. We have grants that they can't even afford to utilize, while our people are experiencing a lot of challenges. So there are many problems in the city of Tshwane. If you go to the townships, the parks, still now, they are not being maintained. The potholes are still an order of the day. Lights and traffic signs are still not functional. So, I mean, we can't afford to say, because the DA is in coalition with the ANC, in a government of national unity at national level, and therefore anything that they do at local level is well and good. I mean, we can't agree to that. I mean, the last thing that they are doing now is to coming up with nonsensical specs that exclude our local contractors.
Yeah, and I wanted to come there, and they are saying that this motion of no confidence you want to bring before the mayor has got nothing to do with service delivery. It's because you are agitated of the fact that there are new requirements and new regulations for new contractors of the city. Would you say that this motion is motivated specifically by that and not service delivery?
No, I've put a litany of issues before you, and I hope you'll understand them. Is there excuses to only mention but one? Because the question of the local business people, the local laborers, is something that will not obviously budge on. I mean, we can't have a situation whereby work is done at local level and our people are not considered. They are told of, we agree that if you want Inatis, it's well and good. If you are saying you need a tracker so that you can check if these people are working or not, it's well and good. But if you are saying their trucks must be newish, as the mayor has said, I mean, where are they going to get the monies to buy those new trucks? Because these are small micro enterprise people. These are guys that are working within the locality. I mean, what you need to say is that these people are not doing what they're supposed to do. These trucks are unable to carry out the duties. But if you are saying they are roadworthy, but because they are 10 years and so on, I mean, that is excluding them. I mean, these are guys who cannot get loans from the bank. The city itself is unable to pay service providers. I mean, if they can attempt to go and get credits. If the city is not paying the main contractors for 3 or 4 months and they are unable to pay, it's obvious that their trucks will be taken back.
How confident are you, George? I mean, they are saying that they have 109 members when it comes to their coalition in the city of Tshwane, and when should this motion be brought before the House, technically on paper it looks as if it won't be able to succeed. How confident are you that you will be able to remove the mayor should you bring this motion of no confidence in the council?
I mean, if this DA-led coalition or this DA people were sure of their numbers, they would not be. They will not be running helter skelter. I mean, this Jackie, the lady that we've been interviewing now, she has been all over, accusing us of this and that, of the 2016 things that she knows nothing about, of us being involved in this and that. She knows for sure that their numbers are crumbling. I mean, it's for them to wait and see. Remember, these are people who not so long ago were part of the Moonshot Pact. And because of the blue lights, they hurried up and went and do things outside some of the people that they are working with. And these are the people who have approached us. It's a lie that we have approached people that they've been working with. These are people who approached us to say they also want to be part of the local government in exclusion of the DA because they have failed, they are not honest, and so on. So let's wait and see if they will survive this one.
When will this motion be tabled? When will programming sitting meet so that this can be put on the agenda? And when will it most likely take place?
We are from a 2 days Lokota, which resolved that we need to do something to salvage the situation in Tshwane. We have started with the administrative process today. This will be dependent on the office of the Speaker, because that's where we are processing this vote of no confidence. But we are hopeful that within a reasonable time, the matter will be history.